In this tutorial, I'll show you how to make this looping animation in less than 7 minutes. Let's create a torus. R, X, and 90 to rotate the mesh 90 degrees on the X-axis. S, and Z to scale in the Z-axis. Shift, D to duplicate, and X to move it to the side like this. R, X, and -90 to rotate the mesh -90 degrees on the X-axis. Ctrl 3 to subdivide. Right-click and shade smooth to smooth the surface. Shift-select both meshes and Ctrl J to join them. Time to add the array modifier. Let's add a curve point. If you don't see the curve point, please activate an Extra Objects add-on. Please remember to press the 3D button. E to extrude, and A, V, and A to smooth the curve like this. Let's add the curve modifier. I'll create a background plane, and rotate it 90 degrees on the X-axis. S to scale. I'll use the orthographic camera. Do you see where the 3D cursor is located on the left side? That's exactly where we need to align the render camera to. We're now at the frame 1. Let's type I to set up a new keyframe on the location. This looping animation is going to be only 10 frames long. Please set the end frame as 10 as well. The idea is to slightly move the mesh on the X-axis to the next chain segment that is. In Animation tab, go to Channel, Extrapolation Mode, and select Linear Extrapolation Mode. Let's play the animation and see if it's correctly looping. If not, please go to frame 10, and adjust the location of the mesh. After correcting the frame, please make sure to type I once again to set a new keyframe on frame 10, otherwise the X value will reset. It's working. We now have a perfectly looping animation. Let's add the materials. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.